That was a fail. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I did. Today I recorded this video on this eye look right here. Got some rhinestones on the lower lash line and some purple on the lid with some pink glitter. If you guys want to learn how I got this look, then just stay tuned. It's a pretty chatty one today because I have no friends. I'll see you guys in like 2 seconds. Okay, I resituated you guys again because I don't know, but I'm gonna get into this look finally. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with this ColourPop Holiday 2017 All I See Is Magic palette. I'm gonna take a mixture of the shade and the shade here, like a mauve-y and then a nice peachy pink shade. I'm gonna put that into my crease. Bitch, you need to go somewhere. Yes, I'm drinking Coke. I know it's so bad for you, but what isn't bad for you nowadays? But anyways, getting off track. I'm still just building up these 2 crease shades. Super cute. So I just flipped my camera and hopefully it's looking fine. Bitch. Can you see me? If you can see me, clap. What? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that more mauve shade right here. So I'm gonna put that directly into that outer corner and like the outer V, basically. Just deepening that up just to prepare for that cut crease and have that definition there for later. Bitch. Okay, so like I said, bitch, I'm trying to figure out like if this is looking good. I just want this to look good for my viewers. Bitch. Okay, I'm gonna just keep on going with this and hopefully it looks fine. So I'm not gonna share that because, okay, so I probably will be going out tonight having fun. I'm like the worst at pronouncing things. Like I hear that all the time from people, like, you fucking talk so fucking fast and you don't pronounce anything. Like that's why people always say what to me, and I get so mad when people go what. Like, bitch, I said it's so clear, but like then they go, no you didn't. So maybe I'm the problem, but it'll be a while till I realize that. My best friend's coming home for the night from Minnesota. The bitch would like it if I would move out there with her.
Grandpa needs to talk to you.
About what? Okay, bye, love you. Well, my grandpa just called. One of his friends just got over cancer. She knows me, she knows my story, and she wants me to do her makeup. And my grandpa's like, oh, she'll pay you. I'm like, no, like I'd totally do that for free because of like the situation she's in. Like I would love to do that for her, you know? I would feel so good doing it and so yeah. But bitch, I'm still waiting on that Sephora job, so. Oh, what am I doing? I'm taking this more plummier shade. It's called Pitter Patter, or it's called Tinseltown. And I'm taking that on my outer corner. So I'm gonna blend out that purple, especially on this eye, because that shit got out of hand. Ooh, this eye is always my good eye, and that is turning out, honey. But like, a bitch is broke right now. I can't get new lashes. Is anyone else feeling that on a spiritual level? Blush, brush, bitch. Can you guys even see me? Clap if you can see me. I'm lost. Okay, bitch, I'm like out of breath after doing that friggin' cut crease right here. Ew, I sounded really depressing right here. I was like, right here. Bitch, cheer up. I'm gonna start setting this eye. Part of me is like super scared to go out tonight because it's been so long. Yes, all I've been doing is hanging out with my boyfriend. But part of me is really scared because I'm transgender, everyone knows. But like, I've had encounters before going out with my friend Mackenzie, and people are sometimes mean. I never want to put myself in a dangerous situation, but like, I'm a party girl. I like partying. I just wish there wasn't like mean people out there in the world, because that's super annoying. But like, seriously, that's the thing with me. Like, I am such a party girl. I'm such a like, oh, I like the party. With me being trans, being scared that everyone's gonna judge me, like that's really had an effect on like me doing things. Like, yeah, all in all I'm trying to say is I wish that people weren't so mean to like different people, like transgender people, gay people, like different, because like that really put a dagger in me being myself and like wanting to go out there and have fun. And I feel like I lost so many of my like teenage-ish years. I remember in high school all my friends would go to Summerfest. I'm pretty sure all you know what that is. It's like a little festival where musicians come and perform at. All my friends would go, and I would be like, oh, I want to go so bad, but like I was so scared of somebody judging me. Like, this year was my first year, and surprisingly no one was like mean to me at Summerfest. Like, nobody came up to me and was like, oh, like transgender. Like, a lot of guys are actually pretty freaking flirty with me, which is like so surprising to me, because I was going there expecting the worst, and it actually was really fun. I overthink a lot. Like, some people just don't give a fuck, you know? Like, you're transgender, okay, cool. Like, some people just don't care. But what I was doing is blending the outer edge of this, because I wanted this to be a half cut crease, because I love half cut creases, obviously. I'm just deepening that line. Girl. Shit. I fucked up. You guys probably can't see anything I'm doing. Ew. I feel like I definitely can take this off now. This lace has been sitting for a good 10 fucking million hours. You can see my lace, don't clock me. Okay, I kind of, sort of, bitch, are you in frame? Take my Stila Magnificent Metal in Ballet Baby. I love putting it on my finger and then putting it on my lid. I just want that like little hint of sparkle, but not like, ooh, I'm wearing glitter on my lid. Just like that hint of sparkle, you know? So sparkly, not sparkly. Just kidding, not typical me. I know, fake ass bitch. Palette and blend out this outer edge more, because I feel like it's not blended fully. So, teehee. Okay guys, so for lashes today, I'm taking my new Bounce Ons Dragon Lee. When I put a lash on, I literally turn into a whole new bitch. Absolutely stunting on these hoes. It's a lash girl. Take me to the chopper. What is a chopper, bitch? Oh, bitch, I'm lightheaded. Give me some Coke. A cola? Did you think I meant the white powder? No. That'd be a good That'd be a good Coca-Cola commercial. I need to shut up. I know I said I wasn't going to wear lashes anymore. When did I say that? Y'all feel me? Y'all feel me? I need to glue this back down. Bitch, bye. Okay guys, so I'm gonna work on my face off camera. I'll snap right back and have my full beat down on. Should I snap like all the other YouTubers do? I won't do it. I won't. Okay guys, so I'm currently baking, so might as well just get my eyes out of the way, since that's what the video is focused on. So like I said, I want to incorporate some rhinestones, because there's a lot in here. I wasn't even looking at the camera, what the fuck. Hopefully my eyes, like, will I go blind from keep using this? If like my eyes get all flaky after I use it? I hope not. Really hope not. My eyes are already watering, that's scary. Jewels. And place them. Living. Ooh, that's actually real pretty. I think that might be the right size. It's what I'm hanging on for dear life. This is someone I want on my team. These little bitches better stay on, because this is a look and a half. Might be a little bit too over dramatic, but bitch, that's me in a nutshell. Over dramatic. Oh my god, I have setting powder all over my leg. What are you doing? But then again, I used to think pickles were seafood, so I poked myself in the eye. I won't. Okay, poke myself in the eye again. Hopefully. Oh my god, it's watering. Ooh, my boobs look nice. But anyways, the highlight is too much. Okay, I really need to go. Okay guys, so that concludes the video. I am getting naked right now, what the fuck. That concludes the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I love this look and I loved how it turned out. Love the rhinestones as per usual. Do what you want. Poop on me. Don't poop on me. I don't know why I just said that. Okay, well, I'm about to go turn up, hopefully. I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, have a nice life.